Ready to build a cash flow tracker like the pros? Most beginners make a cash flow statement that looks like a simple grocery list. It tells you if you're rich today, but that's about it. In the Fortune 500 world, they look at cash flow over time. A 12-month tracker tells you if you're headed for trouble, say, in November. Today, we're building a practical, dynamic 12-month horizontal tracker. This isn't just theory. It's about seeing trends, spotting seasonal shifts like holiday sales, and catching cash crunches months before they happen. Think of it like a grid. On the vertical axis, we have our cash flow categories: operating, investing, and financing. Operating is your day-to-day cash from sales minus costs like rent and salaries. Investing is for big-ticket items like buying equipment or selling assets. Financing deals with loans and owner investments. On the horizontal axis, we have our timeline, month 1 through month 12. Here's the golden rule: never, ever hard-code numbers directly into your tracker. If your sales are 2,000 units at 3,500 Nigerian Nairas each, your formula should be equals volume times price, not 7 million Nigerian Nairas. Why? Because when you change an assumption, like the price, the entire model updates instantly. That's the power of dynamic modeling. Let's build it in Excel with our Greenleaf Bakery example. First, open your workbook and go to the cash flow sheet. We'll set up columns for months 1 to 12. Now, for the operating activities section, we'll start with sales volume. For month 1, we link to our base volume of 2,000 units. For month 2, we apply that 2% growth formula. Then, just drag that formula across for all 12 months. Next, cash receipts from sales is simply the monthly volume multiplied by the unit price. Variable costs are the volume multiplied by the cost per unit. And fixed costs are the same each month. The net operating cash flow is your sales receipts minus all those costs. Next, we create placeholders for investing and financing activities. Even if they're empty now, build the structure. Add rows for asset sales, asset purchases, capital injections, and loan repayments. This way, your model is ready for the future. Now for the magic, calculating our cash balances. The net cash flow for each month is the sum of our operating, investing, and financing sections. Let's add 2 pro touches. First, use conditional formatting to turn any negative cash balance red. It's an instant visual alert. Second, use the freeze panes feature so your row labels and assumptions stay visible as you scroll. This is a typical example of how to create a cash flow template. For a step-by-step tutorial, visit the link in the description. Before you go, kindly hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment buttons. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.